Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I am here with the team from MagicCraft, coming up with ideas, talking about the development. This is Alexei from the development company in Ukraine, and they've been building this amazing game that you're playing on the beta, which is beautiful. We're here in the Burj Al Arab. It's one of the 7-star hotel. It's very beautiful, and you can eat here as well. It's one of the most beautiful kind of buildings and famous and 7-star and all this stuff. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I've been buying MCRT almost daily in the last week. With my own money, I bought around $45,000 worth of MCRT. I'm going to buy more today as well. And I'm going to jump into the technicals as well for Ethereum. And don't forget, the Bybit buy vote for MCRT to be listed happens in a bit more than 1 day. So you need to have 10,000. You can vote up to $10,000 worth, and you can win $120,000 of prizes. Your vote doesn't get taken, so that $10,000 you put towards the vote, it doesn't actually use that $10,000. So you're just voting with the money, but you keep your $10,000. And how much you vote is how much you can get in prizes. There's certain conditions. You need to check it out on Bybit. All MCRT people, all MagicCraft people, push it. Let's win this vote on MCRT. We're versing 2 other projects, and our volume is millions compared to their 50 to 100k. So we have a very high chance of winning, which is going to be beautiful. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Market is quite green. Axie Infinity up 7%, MCRT up 2%, leading the market. Apple up 1.4%, Google 1.4%. I've been buying a lot of Google lately as well. Nasdaq has been green. Alts pretty much break even. Bitcoin is slightly down, but almost even on the day. And this is the chart on Bitcoin. So you're watching the price of Bitcoin moving over time. And you can see here that this is the bear market started on Bitcoin. So you're looking at this is monthly candles. So you can see down here, you're seeing monthly candles. And you can see here, each of these candles represent 1 month. This was the month to sell Bitcoin at 69,000. In my opinion, we're under the 200 weekly moving average, and we're quite low. We're very oversold on the stochastic. If you're new to trading, if you're new to investing, this is the main indicator that you want to use. When the stochastic is above the dotted line, that's the time to be selling. When it was at 69k, you can see here, at 69k, it was above the dotted line, it crossed to turn down. When it's below the dotted lines, crossing to turn up, that's the time to be buying. That's one of the biggest indicators in technical analysis. On the weekly, stochastic is oversold, turning to head up, and volume is still about slightly even increasing the volume. We're still holding this channel, and we're pumping. We touched the bottom of the channel and then pumped on the last week. On the daily, we're breaking out of this bull flag. We're in this kind of bull flag potential here, but you can clearly see that for the last maybe 2 months, Bitcoin has just been moving between these 2 blue lines, this channel, 20,300 and 18,400. So we're just moving between this channel consistently. And right now we bounced off the bottom of the channel. So in my opinion, we're going to head up to the top of the channel. We tested it and we're holding this support. We came down a little bit. We're bull flagging. I would go long from here, from this bull flag. Let's look on the 4 hourly heading down, hourly oversold. It's also building a small pattern here. We can see here. We've got this kind of symmetrical triangle playing out. So I would actually be going long here, expecting this breakout towards the upside, because it's about to have a breakout. So it's either going to break to the base of this triangle, to the downside or the upside. So this distance here, and I've been doing technical analysis for the last 21 years. So it's either going to break. I would choose. You're never 100% right with technical analysis, but I would choose to the upside on this breakout. So it's either going to be to the upside or to the downside. This one, trying to grab this line. So either to these 2 directions, and I would choose the upside. So I'd put the stop loss just beneath this breakout line, these supports, and the take profit I would put to the top of the channel. So it's a nice risk to reward ratio trade on Bitcoin. In the short term trade, long term, I've been accumulating Bitcoin, MCRT, Facebook, Meta, and Google. Those are the main 4 assets that I've been buying on the bottom of this worst boom. This is the worst bear market in human history. This is worse than 2008. More money has been wiped off the crypto and stock markets than ever before in history, even worse than 2008. And that's the time to be buying. Everyone wants to buy when Bitcoin is up, when stocks are all-time high. That's when everyone comes in and buy it, and that's when you need to be selling. When no one wants to buy, when there's blood in the streets, when there's threat of nuclear war, when the markets have been decimated, that's the time to be buying. And that's why I've been buying Facebook, Meta, MCRT, my project. I'm the founder of it. It's a play-to-earn game. Google, I'm buying my own project. You have to do your own due diligence, etc. Let's get back to Bitcoin. So that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Risking $105 to make $1,074, 10 times risk to reward ratio, 10.23. With 10x leverage, that would be $10,000 of profits, which is beautiful. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can trade using this Bybit link in the description. So on your phone, in the description of the video, if you go down on your phone down below, if you go down and sign up to Bybit, you get a $4,450 sign-up bonus. It's the 4th biggest exchange in the world, Bybit, and I know the CEO. It's one of the biggest exchanges. They've got a lot of liquidity. It's one of my favorite exchanges. You get a $4,450 bonus when you use this link to sign up, and you can now also vote for the voting starts in 1 day for MCRT. By vote competition, 2 days. It starts. You need to get your USDT on your Bybit account before October 26th. And you can go in the chance to win $120,000 worth of prizes, an iPhone 14, PS5, 5 Genesis NFTs, 5 beta game accessories. And the way the vote works, it's you're voting to list MCRT with your $10,000. So you can vote up to $10,000. It doesn't use your USDT to make that vote. And how much you vote is how much prizes you're going to get. So it's pay attention to it. The link down below. Sign up, vote for MCRT. And now I'm going to buy. I've been buying MCRT every day. And if you've been following my videos, I was buying MCRT a few days ago at 8 cents, and now it's pumped. So now $1,000 gets you around 102,000 MCRT. So I'm going to do a swap on PancakeSwap for 1,000 USDT. So I'm buying around 101,000 MCRT with 1,000 US dollars. Confirm. I'm doing the swap now, 1,000 USD. I'm buying daily 1,000 MCRT. You have to confirm the transaction. You have to make your own due diligence, consult your brokers, consult your financial professionals, etc. These disclaimers. I'm buying, this is what I'm doing with my money. It is dangerous crypto. You have to do your own due diligence. But I am buying MCRT going into the launch, and MCRT today is up around 6%. And if you follow my videos, I was buying the bottom actually. I was buying, it's up 7% against Bitcoin, 6% against Ethereum, and 6.8% against USD, ranked 649, market cap 15 million, volume 963 million, and pay attention to it going into the Bybit vote. The Bybit vote is about to be, it's in 2 days, and you can win that $120,000 of prizes, which is beautiful. So that's what's happening on Bitcoin. In the next video, I'll do Ethereum. Let's also check out. So this is basic human needs. The bottom of the human need, above psychology, safety, social esteem, soft, is bull market. Everyone wants this. This is some gameplay from MagicCraft, the beta testers. You can go to beta.magicraft.io and actually play. People are playing the game now all together. Exclusive AMA. I'll be having a Bybit AMA tomorrow. Bybit competition. You can start getting your USD ready before October 26th. It's in 2 days, the competition. These are the number of transactions that are happening on the Bitcoin network. And you can see that even with this bear market, the transactions are nearly at all-time highs. We have huge amount of transactions per day happening on the Bitcoin. Play to earn equals MagicCraft, P to earn equals MC squared. Someone made this in the community. Good morning, James. Just woke up to see your videos. You are the king of crypto. Thank you, Lachey. Thanks for the great video. James, you guru, you're just too great. Saw your event speech. You did great. Thank you, Kenneth. The Bybit vote on spot trading is starting. $120,000 of prizes. So the way you do it is you go into Bybit. Let's see if I can show you. So you go into Bybit. It will open. You go to here. You can see that there's you click on more, and you can see the buy votes. And now you can see that MCRT is going to be in a vote competition. You can win 120,000 USDT worth of prizes, 1 day and 17 hours until the vote. And one of these 3 projects are going to win. And in my opinion, we're going to win big time because the comparable projects are quite shit. So thank you for watching, everyone. They're not shit, but they have very low volume. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.